Hello children, welcome to Class 3 Science online class. I'll be your teacher for this year. My name is Miss Ruby. This year we will be learning all kinds of interesting things about ourselves as well as the things around us. Are you excited? Well, I am. Okay, today we'll be learning a new lesson called Living and Non-Living Things. Living and non-living things. If you look around you, you will see different things. Some are living while some are non-living. So, what are living and non-living things? Living things are those that have a life. Trees, plants, human beings, animals, birds, fish, these are living things. Non-living things are those that do not have a life. House, bed, table, car, book, etc. Living things are very much different from non-living things based on certain features. Shall we go into more details? Alright. Living things breed. All living things, including plants and animals, they can breed. Do you know what will happen to you if you hold your breath for a long time? Yes. So, we living things, we need air to breathe. Human beings and animals breathe through their nose. Fish breathe through gills that is on the side of their body. If you look at here, these are the gills. Insects such as cockroaches and caterpillars have air holes called spiracles present on their body and that help them to breathe. Plants also take in air through tiny openings called stomata, which you can see here, that are present on the underside of their leaves. Non-living things, on the other hand, do not breathe. Living things move. Animals moved on their own using their legs. Usually they move from one place to another in search of food, water, and shelter. We human beings also move around using our legs. Birds and insects fly using their wings. Fish swim using their fins. However, most plants do not move from one place to another as they are fixed in the soil. These plants, they need not move from place to place because they do not have to search for their food. They can make their own food. Alright? Non-living things, on the other hand, cannot move by themselves, like your toys, your house, stones, chairs, etc. They move only when someone moves them. Living things grow. All living things grow with time. A baby grows into an adult. A puppy grows into a dog. And a chick grows into a hen. Plants also, they grow. A seed grows into a seedling and that later grows into a big plant or a tree. However, non-living things do not grow. If you want a bigger house, you have to build it. A car cannot grow. If you want a big car, you have to buy another one. So remember, living things breathe, living things move, and living things grow. We shall continue with the lesson in the next video. So until then, take care, stay safe.
Hello children, welcome back to your science online class. In the previous video we have learned that living things breathe, living things move, and living things grow. In this video we're going to learn more about the features of living and non-living things. Shall we go ahead? Alright. Lifespan. All living things live up to a certain age called lifespan. Lifespan is basically how long a living thing is expected to live. How long they are expected to live. The lifespan of a dog is 10 to 12 years. A butterfly lives for around 20 to 30 days. Since non-living things do not have a life, they do not usually have a lifespan. We use the word durability to describe how long a thing lasts before it requires maintenance or repair. How long do your favorite pair of shoes last? Maybe 2 or more years before it wears out. Alright? Living things need food. Yes, living things need food to remain alive and grow. You all know that, right? Plants can make their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. But animals, they cannot make their own food. They eat plants or other animals. You all know what human beings eat, right? I don't need to tell you. Non-living things do not need food. Living things feel changes around them. Living things feel changes. Animals feel changes with the help of their sense organs. They have ears to hear, eyes to see, nose to smell, tongue to taste, and skin to touch. Alright? Insects also feel changes around them through special body parts called antennae, which is the plural of antenna. They smell, taste, and locate food with the help of their antennae. Tigers and dogs have a good sense of hearing. They can hear even the lowest sound. They also have a very well developed sense of smell. Falcons and hawks have very good eyesight and they can see their prey while flying from far away. Cats use their whiskers to feel movement around them. Alright? Plants, although they do not have sense organs, they feel the changes around them. They can feel or sense temperature changes or climatic changes as well. Alright? For example, when you touch the leaf of a mimosa plant, touch me not, you must have seen them somewhere. It closes its leaves. However, non-living things, they do not feel changes around them. Does a book cry when you tear its pages? No, because non-living things, they cannot feel anything. Alright? Living things reproduce. The process by which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. In other words, it means that living things can have babies or they can multiply. Fish, snakes, frogs, lizards, and different types of birds reproduce by laying eggs. Their young ones are called hatchlings because they hatch from the eggs. Animals such as lions, deer, cows, etc. and human beings give birth to babies. Most plants, they reproduce through seeds like mangoes, apples, beans, pumpkins. They reproduce through the seeds which grows into a plant. Some plants such as carrots, lettuce, potatoes, etc., they reproduce through the roots, stems, and leaves. Non-living things, they do not reproduce, they do not have babies. Remember, living things breed, move, grow, have a lifespan, need food, feel changes around them, and reproduce. Alright? We shall continue the lesson in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.